How does the FDA find food contamination? Imagine biting into your favorite snack and wondering if it's safe to eat. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, works behind the scenes to keep that worry at bay. They find food contamination through a mix of testing, inspections, and listening to consumers. It's like a big safety net for your food. First, the FDA regularly collects samples from food production sites, importers, and stores. They take small portions of food to test for harmful things like bacteria, toxins, or foreign objects. These samples are carefully chosen based on the type of food and how risky it is. For example, high-risk foods like seafood or dairy are tested more often. Next, the FDA uses special laboratory methods to check for contaminants. They have chemical tests to find toxins like aflatoxins or pesticides. Microbiological tests help spot bacteria such as salmonella or listeria. They also use quick tests like enzyme-linked immunosorbent assays, which can identify pathogens in just a few hours. For chemical residues, they use advanced techniques like liquid chromatography tandem mass spectrometry to detect even tiny amounts of harmful substances. The FDA also looks for physical contaminants, like metal pieces, plastic, or insect parts. They do this by inspecting food visually, using microscopes, or employing special tools like thermal imaging and magnetic resonance imaging. These tools help detect foreign objects that could cause injury or illness. Another key part of their work is listening to consumers. If someone reports a problem with a food product, the FDA investigates. They may test the product again or inspect the manufacturing process. If they find contamination, they can issue recalls and consumer alerts to remove the unsafe food from shelves quickly. The FDA also prioritizes testing based on risk. Foods that are more likely to be contaminated or come from areas with known issues are checked more frequently. They are always working to improve their testing methods, making sure they can find new or emerging contaminants at very low levels. All these steps help the FDA catch contamination early. When they find a problem, they alert the public through recall, notices, and consumer alerts. This system keeps your food safe and helps you stay informed about any potential risks.